Okay, so it's 1:13 in Ohio. This is how high the snow is right now. My husband decided that it was time to shovel snow. So, snow has been shoveled. It's still snowing, can you tell? We're gonna go see how high the drifts are for the garden. And I can't see anything because my face mask is making go. I fell into a drift. There's the garden. Let's go to the garden. And we gotta check the panels and see how much snow's on the panels. Oh, I lost more branches off the tree. Well, not that much snow on the panels. Nice. It's getting cold now. My camera's not working right. We're getting some drifts. Looks like lines are held. Yay! Okay, so that's what it looks like right now. So I'm going in.